ZANU-PF Deputy Women League Chairperson and Cabinet Minister Monica Mutsvangwa is taking a veiled jab at President Mnangagwa and controversial businessman Tagwirei, openly criticizing the use of money and the secret meetings to influence party division. Pangwa ino achanokonza aiwa Monica Mutsvangwa days Mnangagwa over Tagwirei elevation. To subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnamubra nyukomchinze. In a FAD address delivered at a recent party meeting, Mutsvangwa warned against kitchen cabinet politics and individuals who use wealth to manipulate internal ZANU-PF processes. The remarks come amid growing discontent within the ruling party following Tagwirei's surprise appointment to the powerful Central Committee, a move widely seen as engineered by Mnangagwa outside normal party channels. In quotes, "We will not accept things that are decided in someone's home," said Mutsvangwa, in the thinly veiled reference to Mnangagwa's brick farm, which has reportedly become the presidency unofficial command center for party and government business. She also appeared to criticize Tagwirei's influence in the party, warning against the corrupting power of money in ZANU-PF's affairs. In quotes, "Hatide vanhu vanofunga kuti vanogona kushandisa mari kudivhaidha vanhu. Vanhu vanogoda kudiwa zvaitwa namai kuzhanje izvi. We do not want people who think they can use money to divide others," Mutsvangwa said. If money was what kept someone in power, Ian Smith would still be ruling today. Tagwirei, a controversial businessman tycoon, often linked to state capture and corruption scandals, was recently elevated to the party's Central Committee, bypassing traditional grassroots structure. His influence, amplified by vast economic interests and close ties to Mnangagwa, has sparked unrest within ZANU-PF's ranks and life and file. Thomas kuda pangwa ine achonekwa Monica Mutsvangwa aiwa ukana mafresh attacks kune mutungamiri wenyika nakuda kweshe Tagwirei achivasitopa kuti aiwa ngavasaita zviri pamutemo, aiwa kungava kunoita maprivate meetings on their private homes pamwechete nekudivhaidha pato nokuda kwemari. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi chiri kurambwa nana Mutsvangwa kuelevetwa kwaitwa Tagwirei. Bvira kumesection medu mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like on the bell icon.